She's completed herself. She's a huge influencer. She's inspiring a lot of women to come and compete. Hello, hello, hello. I'm at ICN. It's been 89 days of prep. So I'm doing an exclusive interview for the YouTube channel Level Up with Raj. And you are?
My name is Sheena and I'm here to collect stories from him about ICN and his prep journey.
So we're actually doing two interviews. I'm doing an interview for my YouTube channel and she's actually doing one more interview for ICN. She's completed herself. She's a huge influencer. She's inspiring a lot of women to come and compete. You'll probably know a lot of these things in the video. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
So I usually do 3 quick questions for my YouTube. I do interview series. I've done interviews with a lot of influencers, competitors, professional athletes. I would love to do the same quickly.
Definitely.
3 quick questions. How was it competing? How challenging was it competing in ICN in your category?
It was difficult for me. I was a first timer and I decided very late into my journey. 6 months prior only I decided that okay, I want to compete, and the category I chose was sports model, and I think I was not there at the sports model level, but I was not at the very bikini level. So yeah, it was difficult because of the time constraints, but I think I had a good support around me, my husband, my coach, who really helped me and pushed me, and my friends who thought that yes, Sheena, whatever it be, you just enjoy on the stage, be yourself and do the best. That's it. And I think I just did the best.
Amazing, amazing journey. Second question, what is your message for all the women who are willing to compete, who want to compete but who are scared to take the first step? What would you tell them?
Yes, I am a very female pro person, okay? And the one thing I would like to just say is do strength training first. That's it. Don't do anything, just do strength training, because you will know only after doing that how much confidence it will give you. It's very, very difficult to explain it to anyone, but when you do it, you will know how much empowering it is. You unleash your own potential, your own capabilities. Just do strength training. You'll walk in a room like you are the boss. You'll walk in the gym like you are the boss. You just have to give a little more time and be proud of yourself, because that's more important, that you're putting in your efforts, and give it time. Just don't be like, do it for 1 month and give up, because that's what a lot of females do, because they have a lot more responsibilities. Don't do that. Keep doing it for a long time till you see the results, not just physically but mentally. That's more important.
And third, the big question, you have a family, you have a job, you've competed in fitness, you are an influencer now. How do you manage your time and what are your goals, upcoming goals?
Do I need to answer that to you? I think you should give me those tips. I think it's all about priorities. Whatever is your priority, you do it at that moment. You choose what is important at that moment. You select that, do it, get it done, and then switch to the next one. You cannot multitask is what I feel.
Yeah.
But in that moment, be present for the thing that you're doing,
Perfect.
and just move on. That's
Amazing,
it.
amazing, amazing.
Thank
So
you.
I have done